Whew, it's a lot of boat, man. I'm not used to so much boat. A lot of old boat. Runs a little bit rough in the bottom. It needs some work, but boy, does it get up and go. This thing will move. My goodness. I was not even like barely getting it on there. I haven't got past half throttle on this thing. It's scary. I'm not used to it. This thing hauls butt. It really is fast. It really is. It needs some cleaned up. Look at that, fish sticker's real cool. I gotta do some work to this thing and get it going. Get it going, guys. I'm gonna run back around the corner. I'm letting that boat go on because I'm gonna run back over and chill and check on the motor. It's kind of just like today it's just a take it out and run it and see how it does kind of day. I'm not gonna really fish that much. I might fish a little bit, but until I get to know the motor straight, I'm gonna go closer over to the car and fish around that area. I'm just letting it eat some gas right now is all I'm doing. All right, guys. I'm not used to this being way up high, guys. It's kind of weird me out a little bit. I have to get used to the trolling motor and everything. This boat's so different than my boat. Well, this boat too, but it's just so different than my other boat, I should say. But yeah, guys, today we're just going out. We're just checking the boat out, trying to get used to it. What I like, what I don't like. Stuff like that. Let the motor eat some gas. And it eats gas, that's a fact. Get used to fishing a mile high in the air. I mean, I'm like 3 foot off the water, 2 foot. This thing sits high in the front. I mean, real high. Plus, I'm on this big old chair. I feel like I'm sitting on top of a building. Oh, look at that bass. Bass right there. Throw the jigs around. Oh. Down here I feel more normal. Up there I'm like, it's that seat though. I don't like sitting on it. I don't feel secure. I don't know. I'm a weirdo when it comes to stuff like that. And just simply getting used to something is it's a big part of it as well. Just getting used to it. Makes it a lot easier casting off this boat. Hell of a lot easier. Sitting on the top of the world. That's what it feels like, man. Going from my little boat to this boat. Feels like I'm sitting way up high. I mean, I feel like I'm sitting on top of the world. I mean, I like look around behind me. I'm like, man. There's my first fish. The boat don't come off. I had him. He's fighting like crazy. Big old gill. I'd have no other first fish. Y'all think I'd catch a bass on my bass boat? Look how wore out that carpet is. Just me up here moving around, it ripped right out. I'll have to get this carpet redone and this thing. Come on, buddy, chill out. Don't prick me. Don't prick me, buddy. Don't prick me. First fish of the new boat. The old blue gill. The old blue skilly. See you later, buddy. That carpet is so old, it just coming off. I'm gonna have to just tear it off. Sucks. Normally you can use it for template, but it's just wore out. The billion-year-old carpet. I'm gonna have to wet sand this thing soon. I've been getting donations. I want to say something about the donations. I'm not going to say who's been giving me donations. I've got a few donations from different people. They never say anything about it. They don't say their name or anything like that. But I want to say thank you to those people for giving me those donations. I really appreciate it. It helps out. I'm going to use that last donation I got to wet sand this boat. Make it start looking like that again. Try to bring this old booger back. And then I'm going to start working on this carpet. I don't know if I'm going to do it or if I'm just going to pay and have somebody do it. Either way, it's got to get done, but I don't know. First good bass on the boat. Get in the boat. Yes. Yes. Nice bass. First good bass on the boat, guys. Yeah. He ain't super big or nothing, but I'm excited. I'm excited. Today's my birthday. He's my birthday bass. First bass on the new to me old bass boat. Needs some work, but hey man, old bass boats can still catch bass, and that's what's up. Oh, he smells so good. Beautiful largemouth. Caught that jig, threw it over there, kind of worked around this corner, threw it over there and jammed him. Nice, fat, healthy, late summer, beautiful bass. Let's let this guy go. See you later, but you my first bass. Beautiful fish. New bass, new fish. Let's let this go. Let him go. See you, brother. Yeah. Kind of worked around this corner here. I was kind of dodging some trees and threw that jig in there, let it set for a second. Rearrange myself. Bow. Money. He was right there. He was right there. The bite felt a little different though, but